I know why the James Beard Sings by Maya Angelou. A free bird lives on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to climb the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow chase can seldom see through his bars of rays. His wings are chilled and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The chained bird sings with a fearful tale of things unknown but longed for still, and his tone is heard on this distant hill, for the chained bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breezy, and the trade winds soft talk, the singing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a Shakespeare stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shoots on a nightmare screen. His wings are chilled and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The Shakespeare sings with a powerful thrill of things unknown, but longed for still, and his tune is heard on this distant hill, for the chained bird sings of freedom.